everyone, this is Samir. Welcome back to my channel EasyGate. In the previous lecture, we already discussed about absorb power and deliver power. Now we need to solve some more problems on this concept so that we will get the clarity on the concept. Now look at this first question. We are given with this circuit and we need to find out the total power absorbed by this circuit. Right? In this circuit, what we can see that a 10 volt voltage source is connected with the 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistors. Right? Now you solve this problem by yourself without looking my solution. Okay, now you pause the video and solve the question. Right, I hope you have solved the problem by yourself and got the correct answer. Now look at my solution. Right, in this circuit what we can see that a 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistors are connected. That means we already know that resistors will always absorb the power. Resistors will always absorb the power. That means who is going to deliver the power? This 10 volt voltage source will going to deliver the power. That means we need to find out the power absorbed by this 2 ohm resistor and power absorbed by this 3 ohm resistor, and we need to add these two power so that we will get the total power absorbed by the circuit. Right, so now we'll try to recall the formulas for power. Those are nothing but power is equal to voltage into current. That means P is equal to V into I. We can also write power is equal to P is equal to I square R. Okay, we can also write power is equal to P is equal to V square divided by R. You can use any of this formula so that you will get the correct answer. Right, now I am going to use the second formula, that is P is equal to I square R. Now look at my solution. If you want to find out the power absorbed by this 2 ohm resistor and this 3 ohm resistor, we need to find out the current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor as well as this 3 ohm resistor. Now we will try to find out this current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor and this 3 ohm resistor from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, what we know that I is equal to V by R. So here no, we know that V is equal to 10 volts and R is equal to 2 plus 3. Right? I will become I is equal to 10 by 2 plus 3 and equal to, that is equal to 2 ampere. Now we will try to find out the power absorbed by this 2 ohm resistor, that is power absorbed is equal to P is equal to I square, that is 2 square into this resistance, that is nothing but 2 ohms. We will get a 8 watt power absorbed by the 2 ohm resistor. Now we will try to find out the power absorbed by this 3 ohm resistor. That will become P absorb is equal to I square, that is 2 square into the resistance, that is 3 ohms. We will get a 12 watt power absorbed by this 3 ohm resistor. Right? If you want to find out the total absorbed power, that will become this power absorbed by this 2 ohm resistor and this power absorbed by this 3 ohm resistor, and we need to add these two. We will get the total absorbed power. So the total absorbed power will become 20 watts. Right, now come to here. If you want to find out the power delivered by the circuit is will become what will become, so it will become this 10 volts into this 2 ampere. The total power delivered by this circuit will become 10 into 2 amperes. Right, the power delivered by the 10 volt voltage source is equal to power delivered is equal to 2 into 10, that will become 20 watt. Now here you can see that the power delivered, the total power delivered is 20 watt and the total power absorbed is also 20 watt. That means the total power absorbed is equal to the total power delivered. Okay, in any circuit you can take that the total power absorbed by the circuit is equal to the total power delivered by the circuit, which is called as a power conservation theorem or Teligens's theorem or power balanced equation. Power delivered is equal to the power absorbed or power absorbed is equal to the power delivered. Okay, which is called as a power conservation theorem or power balance equation or Teligens's theorem. Right, I think you have understood the problem and got the clarity on the concept. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.